to the kitchen.
I was just in the kitchen. You know. What are you doing, Veronica?
Can you hurry up? Because when you do this for my birthday, it's all fine, right?
Oh, Vivi.
Come on.
Oh, Mama. Thank you. It's okay, my
I don't want you to
love.
read the card first. Read the card after.
Read
Open
the card after?
Yeah,
Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh.
And read what it means.
Read what it means. Happiness.
No, you're not done.
You are my sunshine. You make me happy.
Okay.
Oh, you got me first in card gold.
Okay.
Jesus.
Now read the card.
Oh, thank you, my love. You're an amazing mother. You didn't just give me life. You've given me a great life. You didn't just raise me. You loved me well. You didn't just take care of me. You cared about me. You didn't just encourage me. You believed in me. You didn't just love me. You loved me unconditionally. Love Veron and Veronica.
Now read the...
You're not just an amazing mother. You're the most amazing. Happy Mother's Day. Ever since we were little, you were always there for us. Mother.
Mommy, you're gonna make me cry.
I see all the sacrifices you made for us. Not how you took us into smart and well mannered kids, but you also took what we didn't have. As a child, you gave to us. You are the sunshine of our
Why did you have to make it that sad?
I'm not sad, I'm just so happy. Happy tears. Thank you, guys. Why are you crying?
Because
baby?
you started crying.
Because the card and the things you wrote
I
is
think she's an
amazing.
alien. She has black tears.
You always find something to make people laugh, Veron. What is wrong with you? Thank you, my loves. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, my daughter got me gold.
And V actually helped me pick it out.
B, you help her pick it out?
Because it was like a coincidence.
I was looking at some other gold